These are some frequently asked questions regarding the California Constitution's Article 13A. First, how many sections does Article 13A have? It contains 7 sections. What does Article 13A relate to? It relates to tax limitations. Is there a cap on property taxes in this state? Section 1 of Article 13A states that the maximum amount of any ad valorem tax on real property cannot exceed 1% of the full cash value of that property. How are property taxes collected and distributed? Section 1 provides that the 1% tax is to be collected by the counties and apportioned according by law to the districts within those individual counties. What is the full cash value of property? Section 2 defines this term, full cash value, and it means the county assessor's valuation of real property as shown on the 1975-76 tax bill, or thereafter the appraised value of real property when it's purchased, when it's newly constructed, or a change in ownership has occurred after that 1975 assessment. Is there a limit on tax increases enacted by the legislature? Section 3 provides that any change in state statute which results in any taxpayer paying a higher tax must be imposed by an act passed by not less than 2/3 of all members elected to each of the 2 houses of the legislature, except that no new ad valorem taxes on real property or sales or transaction taxes on the sales of real property may be imposed. Can special taxes be imposed by local governments? Section 4 states that cities, counties, and special districts, by a 2/3 vote of the qualified electors of that district, may impose special taxes on the district, except ad valorem taxes on real property, or a transactions tax, or a sales tax on the sale of real property within the city, the county, or that special district. When does this Article 13A take effect? Uh, Section 5 specifies that this article takes effect for the tax year beginning on July 1 following the passage of the amendment, except Section 3, which became effective upon the passage of the article. Is there a severability clause in 13A? Section 6 provides that if any section, part, clause, or phrase is for any reason held to be invalid or unconstitutional, then the remaining sections are not affected, but instead will remain in full force and effect. And finally, are there any exclusions for this article? Section 7 provides that Section 3 of the article doesn't apply to the California Children and Family First Act of 1998.